In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Google Drive in dark mode on your desktop. This feature is perfect for those who prefer a darker interface, which reduces glare and is easier on the eyes, especially in low light environments. Using dark mode can also help save a small amount of battery on devices with OLED screens. Making it both stylish and practical, we'll go through each step carefully so you can switch to dark mode quickly and effortlessly. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to drive.google.com. If you're not already signed in, log in using your Google account credentials to access your drive. Once you're on the main interface, look toward the upper right corner for the gear icon, which is your settings menu. Click on it to open a drop-down menu, then select settings. This opens a window with various options to customize your Google Drive experience. On the left-hand side of the settings window, you'll see a menu. Look for Appearance and click on it. This section allows you to change the look and feel of Google Drive. Within Appearance, you'll find several display options, including dark mode. Click Dark to activate it. You'll notice that even menus, buttons, and background panels switch to a darker shade, giving your entire interface a consistent look. This change helps reduce eye strain and can make long periods of work or late night file organization more comfortable. If you ever want to revert to the standard look, just follow the same steps and select the default theme for added convenience. Try combining dark mode with full screen view to maximize your workspace and minimize distractions. And that's it. With just a few clicks, you've successfully switched Google Drive to dark mode. Enjoy the softer display, which makes managing your files a more pleasant experience. Thanks for watching. I hope you found this guide helpful and easy to follow. Leave a comment if you have questions and make sure to subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. Dark mode can also be easier on your team if you're sharing screens during meetings, so it's worth trying in collaborative settings. Until next time, happy exploring.